Welcome back. Okay, so I have 3 things here that I'm gonna unmold. This one, yeah, I'm gonna unmold that one. That was from yesterday. It should be done. These 2 are from yesterday. This one I completely forgot about, but we're gonna get to it. I think I want to just come around and do I don't know. I think I want to do like an over the head shot for these. I'm gonna change the camera angle. BRB. Okay, so I'm hoping this is giving what I'm hoping. I'm hoping that I'm hoping. Yeah, I think we're in the right place. So I'll start with this one because it's small. Oh, blue looks good. This is what my friend was working on. We had some issue with the spillage that kind of like came over, but okay, this looks kind of cool though. This looks kind of cool. Let's send her a picture of this. This looks really cool. I'm actually not mad at this at all, but yeah, let's see here. It's still in frame. All right, and we're gonna do this one because I did this from weeks ago and I don't know how I forgot about it. It's just been sitting on my workspace, like I've been moving it around as like a prop or a paperweight almost. But it's in there tight, boy. This mold has always been like one of my most challenging molds to work with because of all the corners and stuff. So like I end up with a lot of air bubbles for the most part. But this was like a Frankenstein tray, so I didn't really have time to focus much on preventing that. Oh, okay, but this looks really, oh, this looks so good. This looks so freaking good. This is a pretty purple. I don't even like purple, but this is a pretty, ooh, I mess around and injure myself. That one's sharp. This looks so good. This definitely needs like another layer. I'll probably just discount it because it has like all these air bubbles. But oh my goodness. This, the purple right here and this little blue, oh, that's green. I don't know, man. I think I might want to make this purple again. What did I make that was purple? Now I gotta go back and look at all my crafts because this was from, oh, that coaster. Dang, that's how long I started making. This looks so good. Yeah, I'm in love with this. Like, the top part looks fine, so I don't even need to really go over it. The inside is okay too. The air bubbles are just on the back and outside here. So I'm gonna have to clean up the edges here so it doesn't damage anyone, myself included. But, oh, this is so gorgeous. I don't even know if y'all can see, like, oh, look at the detail. This is gorgeous. Yeah, I'm actually very pleased with this. Like, I didn't know what it was gonna look like because again, this was a Frankenstein tray, but this look good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this as like my little desk broom to try to like get stuff. Oh my gosh, come on, it keeps sticking to like the silicone, which is the whole reason why I love the silicone, but at the same time, like, move. I don't want to like put my nail under it and then it ends up like, oh my god, my camera angle shift? I think it did. Hold on a second. All right, back, and let's get this one going now. This is the one that I've been working on for I don't know how long. I don't even know where to start. Oh, there's no telltale. Okay, so I'll start with, I guess, the oldest ones first, which is one of these. Oh, it pops out pretty easily. Okay, I kind of like how this looks. Like, it gives kind of like a mysterious type of vibe. I don't know. All right, okay. We're doing well, we're doing well. Oh, I have to clean up the edges on that. It looks kind of crazy, but still doing well. I knew I was gonna have to drip some resin on the back end of these, but I'm not surprised about that. Oh, these two are, oh no, not too bad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to drip some resin on some of these because they the foil separated it so it doesn't have resin on the outside, which I'm fine with. I'm definitely gonna have to clean these up. But I really like how this green looks against the black. Did I forget to fill this one? Where's the okay, so I'm gonna, this is fine, this is fine, this is an experiment, this is actually my own collection, so yeah. See, some of the gold came off for this one, but it looks like I didn't put any for that. Okay, all right, yeah. Can this go up a little bit? Yeah, we're still in frame. Okay. Did I not put gold in this? I was playing the arse. Okay, where's the gold on these? Were these from last night? Or from before? Okay, don't worry, we're experimenting. This is, okay. This was an experiment that I did yesterday, so I like how this came out. Okay, I tried something different, obviously, than with these. I'm actually not mad at this. This looks super cool. Okay, so let's see how the rest of these came out. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Okay. These don't look atrocious. I'm not mad at this, and I'm sure I can go over these and add more resin, more gold. But you get the concept though, and that's really, that's really where we're at with it. I don't hate these. I really like the subtle, see, I'm torn because like as a big brawling Jamaican, like these, yeah girl, like yeah, but the subtlety of these are not bad either. I was racing against time and like using mixed, what you call it for these, mixed resin from like another project. Yeah, I'm not mad at these at all, at all. Ooh. These are my favorite because like how the black, because that's how it was intended to be, like super like dark demon black, as I call it. Like it's so intense, so like everything pops. These are a little messier because over time, honestly, if I'm gonna keep it real, I was over it. I was so over it. But yeah, I made my own dominoes, guys. Some Jamaican themed dominoes. I really love how these look with the black because it's so like dense, like the black is so dense and then everything else just pops. This is a little bit more glittery. These here, I love this. Shout out to everybody who told me I should make dominoes. Let me go change my angle. All right, so we're back with that, and yeah. Oh, this is crooked. Whatever, hold on. Okay, a little bit better, I guess. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, so we got this here. It's not mine, but it looks cool. This, which is fucking gorgeous. Like, I don't smoke, but I want this. Like, this looks so good. Like, I want to make more of these now. And I know exactly what it was too that did this. This purple is giving. Like, and the glitter and everything. I just, yeah. I was supposed to make, which one am I supposed to do? Oh, that was supposed to be yellow. I can do yellow still. I can still do yellow because I have like a theme that I want to do with like glittery trays. And the shape that I have this one for is yellow, but this looks really good. Oh, yes. Okay, and then my Dominoes. I'm really excited about these because I just, yeah. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch all the videos, like, comment, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend. And just like everything else we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye!